Here I am, it's 12 a.m. I was told to make a 5-minute video about social scientific issue that can correlate to our subject in physical science. So here I am, going to be discussing about genetically modified organisms that is specifically on rice. Okay, moving on. Genetically modified organisms, or in short, GMO, are often controversial in the world of food because of what random experiments that scientists have been doing with them. But the truth is, when done responsibly, GMO rice can solve two urgent problems at once. So firstly, it could help in feeding the growing global population with nutrient-rich, climate-resilient crops, and secondly, producing more agricultural waste that can be turned into biomass, which is an alternative energy source to reduce fossil fuel dependence. So this will be a huge game changer in how we can produce rice, especially in agricultural nations like here in the Philippines, where poverty is pretty much high. Some alternatives and how we can fix it. Alright, so one great example in the Philippines is very own malusog rice. It's also known as the golden rice. It is genetically modified to contain beta-carotene, a source of vitamin A, and such more. This is crucial in fighting vitamin A deficiency, especially in children, which is a serious issue in many developing countries, which is malnutrition. GMO rice varieties are designed to resist pests, tolerate drought, and yield more harvest. More rice plants residue like husk, straw, which are perfect feedstock for biomass energy. So according to the NRDC, biomass converts the chemical energy stored in organic matter into usable energy through combustion or biofuel production. Well, in simpler terms, leftover rice plants to heat into electricity or fuel. So unlike fossil fuels, biomass is renewable, and unlike solar or wind, biomass can work even without the need of sunlight or wind flow, which is ideal for off-grid rural areas. So once again, here in the Philippines, farming is everywhere. We're using rice byproducts to maximize food and fuel output from the same crop, cutting down waste while uplifting both health and energy sectors. So looking back to my physics class, we learned about energy transformation in module number 4, which is how one form of energy converts into another. So in this case, solar energy will be converted into chemical energy, where we can set rice plants as the prime example, then into thermal or electrical energy, where it is converted into biomass. The sun's energy captured during photosynthesis doesn't just stop at food. So through biomass, we unlock a second life for rice residues as a clean fuel. This dual-purpose use of GMO rice shows the intersection of biology, physics, and sustainability. It proves that science-based agriculture is not just about survival, it's about innovation and impact. So, of course, how does this exactly align with the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations that proposed to us? So firstly, it solves SDG number 2, zero hunger. So, as I said earlier, the malusog rice can feed more people with fewer resources while fighting malnutrition through enhanced nutrients. Secondly, SDG number 3 is good health and well-being, less need for chemical pesticides, reduced health risks. Enhanced vitamin A means stronger immunity, especially in children. Thirdly, SDG number 7, affordable and clean energy. Using rice waste for biomass provides clean, decentralized energy, especially for rural communities far from electric grids. Fourthly, SDG number 12, responsible consumption and production, turning waste into energy, promotes efficiency, but it must be paired with ethical, safe biotech regulations and farming practices, of course. And lastly, SDG number 13, climate action. Biomass emits less carbon dioxide than fossil fuels. GMO crops can be also climate resilient, withstanding droughts and pests caused by climate change. So, with the right knowledge and the right ethics, what we grow and throw away could power the next generation. Now, GMO rice isn't exactly perfect, but it's promising. It has the potential to fight hunger, fuel homes, and protect the planet. So thank you for watching. If this got you thinking, drop a comment below on what you think the future of food and energy should look like. And thank you for listening to my 5-minute vlog.